Welcome to another beautiful moment on the farm. Look at this dog enjoying their cool baths in the pool. This is one of the happiest part of their day, and it brings peace to the farmer too. Their joy brings life to the entire farm. You can see how they're enjoying. They're bathing. See, after bathing, what they do next is to rest, cleaning the feather, swim again. Duck love water naturally. Bathing helps them stay clean, remove dirt, and keep their feather healthy. You can see they are cleaning their feather now. They are warming up, cleaning their feather. When they splash like this, it shows they feel safe and comfortable in their environment. As a farmer, watching them play motivates you and reduce your stress. Nature heals both animal and human together. As a bait, they also find little insect and bite of nature in the water. This gives them extra nutrients, proteins, and energy. You can see how active and alert they become. A happy dog is a healthy dog. Bathing helps dogs maintain clean feathers, strong immunities, and good body temperature. It also keeps their skin fresh and prevent parasites. Water play improve their mood and reduce stress. Dogs that bath regularly grow better and stay active. This is keeping their pool clean is important. Fresh water makes them confident to enter and enjoy. A clean pool supports their health, digestion, and breathing. Every splash is a reminder of how peaceful and refreshing nature can be. You can see how the dogs are enjoying the water, biting the insects. They love staying together. Dogs feel safe in groups, and when they bath together like this, it builds their bond. It also helps the farmer observe their behavior, check their health, and know which one are active or quiet. Thank you for watching these lovely dogs enjoying their pool bath. If you love natural farm moments like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe today. Farm freshness is just a click away. More farm videos coming up. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe.